Folks, I know you feel the temperature drop outside.
Yes,
it is
sir.
getting a little bit cold.
Yes, sir.
But never forget that nothing, and I mean nothing, is colder than the game.
Exactly.
So I popped out this weekend. I'm chilling, bro. I'm vibing. You feel me?
Yes, sir.
And I seen some girl posted up with some nigga. Hey, they're very cozy. You feel me? Arms around each other, lap sitting. This proceeds for a majority of the day. Later on, for me to find out that this girl has a man. So I proceed to ask this girl. I was like, yo, you got a boyfriend? She's like, yeah. And it's not that nigga. She's like, nah. So I ask her, then what is that nigga? She's gonna look dead in my face and say, that's my Shayla. You're Shayla?
Damn.
So what does that mean?
It's a cool
She's like,
game,
no, I
bro.
got a boyfriend, I got a man, but he's my Shayla.
Damn.
And I was just like, all right, calm. Knowing it's not calm. There's nothing calm about that situation.
Nothing,
Nah, it's
bro.
rough out here, man. Alright?
It's an evil world we live in.
Cholang. Marakotebelelen.
It's evil world we live in. Y'all gotta watch out, bro. Y'all gotta watch out. Y'all gotta watch out.